This is Jannet Walsh from Murdock, Minnesota. Stay safe and stay inside. Blizzard conditions are nothing to be out in, and it's very dangerous right now if you're here in Minnesota. Right now I am driving in a snowstorm, actually a blizzard. It's very difficult to see the road, and the wind is blowing and the snow is drifting, and at times it is just blinding. I'm on US Highway 12 between Kerkhoven and Murdock, Minnesota. Highly suggest you stay home. And if you must travel, use extreme caution. This is Jannet Walsh from Murdock, Minnesota.